Welcome. This is how to remove FPS, GPU, CPU, latency from screen. So, first, identify the source. So, overlays usually come from apps like Nvidia GeForce Experience, AMD Radeon Software, Xbox Game Bar, or MSI Afterburner. So, check which one you're running. Now, you could just simply disable Xbox Game Bar. So, press Windows plus G to open the game bar. Click Widgets, Performance, then toggle off the overlay. Now, if you have a NVIDIA overlay, open the GeForce Experience, go to Settings, go to HUD Layout, Performance, and set it off. So now if you have an AMD overlay, open the AMD Radeon software and press Control Shift O. And after that, you can just simply disable it. Now, guys, if you have an MSI after a burner, you could just simply go ahead and open it up, go to Settings, Monitoring tab, and from there, just simply uncheck CPU, GPU, or FPS metrics that you don't want to be displayed.